friends, welcome to another Weekly Friday upload. Today we are going to be doing yet another highly requested video. We are going to teach you guys, the YogTubers, how to make hard water.
This is the tutorial that you've all asked for.
Okay, let's get started.
Okay, first you want to pick your cup, any cup, pick a cup, anyone will work. Then you're going to want to find some soft water and put it into the cup. And then you just want to put it right into the freezer. And then after a certain amount of time, I don't remember how long, then the water will be hard. And look how hard it is. It just sits there all hard and still pretty hard in there. And you can turn it upside down and it won't fall out because it's pretty hard.
That's basically all you need to do to make hard water. So thank you guys so much for watching our video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, make sure you hit that notification bell so YouTube will notify you every time we upload a video. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next week. Hopefully you'll be watching with a nice glass of hard water.